Hi, do you know which is my favorite snack? Fresh turmeric. I like to snack on fresh turmeric. It is packed with flavors, crunchy, and it gives you that freshness. But the turmeric crop is annual. We cannot eat the fresh turmeric every time. So I try to store it in different forms. And one of the way I store it is turmeric paste. So today I'm going to share with you how to make turmeric paste, and the secret ingredient here is lemon juice. But if you want to use it within a month, or if you're using for beauty products, then you can make a paste with little bit of water. But if you want to store it for a longer time, then you have to use that secret ingredient, which I'm going to share with you. So let's go and start making turmeric paste.
So here I have turmeric, which is cleaned very nicely. I'm going to peel off the skin. I use a spoon because spoon it can reach to the corners and the peel is very thin. So I'm not wasting my beloved turmeric. I love turmeric and this is harvested from my backyard. So if you're making paste of turmeric, that make sure after you harvest or after you buy it from the store, use it at once, because as it gets dried, the moisture level is less, and the liquid which you're going to use for the to make a paste, you need more. So that also decreases the shelf life. So if you're making a paste, do it right away. So this has been peeled off. I'm going to chop it into rough pieces because we are going to put it in the blender. The skin goes in my compost, turmeric skin, and it smells heavenly. Use your gloves if you're conscious about the color on your hand, but it doesn't matter, it goes away. So now here I'm going to use lemon juice. If you want to store it for a longer period of time, then use lemon juice to blend it and put it in the blender. And you can add salt also, that will also increase the shelf life, but I use it very quickly, so I don't use salt. So this paste is ready. I'm going to put it in ice cube. Make cubes for as per how you're going to use it, like 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Like for me, for tea, I make 1 tablespoon because it's two of us, me and my husband. But for rice and all, I make it like a 1 teaspoon because I don't want strong flavor for my daughter. She doesn't like it. She's not used to that strong flavor. So 1 teaspoon. So if you're going to use it within 1 month, 2 months, then you can use water to make a paste. And for a longer term, use lemon juice. If you want it more shelf life, use a little bit of salt. And put it in the freezer and for about 6 to 8 hours. And this is what I have after putting it in the freezer. Turn it upside down, push it, and your turmeric cubes are out. If you're using for beauty product, then you can make the paste with water because you don't know how lemon juice will react to your skin. So these are now ready. The cubes, you can store it in a Ziploc bag or in a plastic container and put it in the freezer again. So this I made nice shapes because I had that ice cube sachet to make it, the beautiful one, cute one. So I'm going to put it in the freezer again, and I use it for rice, for curries, and this will go in the freezer. But let me show you a quick way. I'm making a tea. Boil some water, add some black pepper. Black pepper helps to absorb the turmeric. Some cinnamon, you can put cardamom, any spices you like for this tea, and this turmeric cube. Boil it and for 2 to 3 minutes and let it simmer. You can add sweeteners of your choice, and lemon juice is already there in this, so you don't have to worry about adding lemon juice, and it's ready to be served. So enjoy this turmeric paste in whatever way you want, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. This beautiful warm tea is ready for me.